Guys, everybody likes chest workout because when it comes to fashion, when it comes to looking good, chest and biceps are most of the time exposed. A good muscular chest can certainly add up to the overall look of a person. So what are some of the advantages of working out for the chest? So the first advantage is it improves your upper body strength, assisting in tasks like pushing, lifting heavy things and all that stuff. It also enhances your posture. Now guys, I have literally experienced this by myself. When I'm not working out for a while, my chest is somewhat like this. And when I work out for the chest, it becomes like this, which indeed boosts my confidence. Yes, guys, building strong chest can certainly boost your confidence. It also contributes to the classic V shape which the fitness enthusiasts aim for. Now I will show you the chest workout which I do to keep myself fit and to keep my chest in shape. Come on, let's go to my home gym. So guys, before I begin, you guys know that I have to do some adjustments because this is my home gym and I will have to wipe my bench as well because there is dust accumulated on the bench. Once I am done with all those things, now I can start with my workout. So the first thing that I start with is a flat bench press. Now all exercises I do as a superset. So immediately once I am done with the flat bench press, I follow it with a flat bench dumbbell flies. Now I do 3 sets of this, and once I'm done with the 3 sets, I move on to the close grip bench press. And this also I do as a superset. I follow it with a dumbbell press. I do 3 sets of this as well. And once I'm done with the 3 sets, I move on to the decline bench press. Again it's a superset. Once I'm done with the decline bench press, I follow it with a decline flies. I do 3 sets of this as well. Once I'm done with the 3 sets, I change the bench position and I move on to the incline bench press. Again it's a superset. Once I'm done with the press, I follow it up with the incline flies. Again 3 sets of these as well. And once I'm done with the 3 sets, the last thing I do is chest dips. I do 3 sets of this. I don't do any superset with this chest dips. And once I'm done with the chest dips, I'm done with my chest workout. This is all I do for my chest workout, guys. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.